Pretty calm weather, WDSU first warning weather, but quite the storms earlier today originated in Tangipahoa Parish, roared southwest of there, even got some hail reported in Livingston Parish today, and then some strong storms between Gonzales and Baton Rouge. That was the day, but now we're going to start with tropics because it started to get a bit more active in the way of Tropical Storm Gabrielle. It's the time of the season where storms can develop very rapidly, and not necessarily rapid intensification in this case, but from last night, this was still an invest. This morning went Tropical Depression number 7, and then quickly it was the Gabrielle with winds at 50 miles per hour. But you look at the structure of that storm, and it doesn't look like a typical tropical storm. We're dealing with wind shear, which has again kept many storms from forming here this season, and we've even been battling drier air. Likelier tracks taking this closer to Bermuda, but you see once it gets there, starts to veer northeast from there. Latest tracks will continue to show that it'll be slow development battling this wind shear, potentially going to a Category 1 status this weekend. But again, that's the island, the little blip right here, the official track going just east, but still within that cone of uncertainty. Of course, that's about 5 days from now. So what happened too for the National Hurricane Center was we've been tracking this particular tropical wave. You see the line goes into this particular zone I've outlined here, and then outlined another area right on top of it that has more of a west-northwest kind of a flow to it with a 20% chance over the next 3 to 7 days. You see this first leading wave though, the National Hurricane Center is taking the chances down again, battling wind shear, dry air. And we look at the data, there's little to support that there's any worry out of this for us. See the cluster of storms here, I don't find any organization out of it. I don't find any strengthening. This shows bringing storms to maybe Turks and Caicos into the Bahamas, but other than that, nothing to worry about. Tropical wave out of Africa for the second zone. This one, the data get a bit more diffuse in where the center of the energy is going to go as it stays south, does it go north. National Hurricane Center is sticking with the north movement out of it. Do you see organization and strengthening out of that? I don't either. So the big takeaway here from the tropics in the Gulf in southeast Louisiana, there are no worries for us right now. Look at temperatures, we're 80 degrees, we're already to 78 in the lakefront, we're almost to the 60s into Belt Chase. Anything on radar? I mentioned that we had that storm earlier in the day. We do have a couple of storms way over Houston, Galveston area. Right now we are free and clear. When I get to the high risk forecast and even get to the extended outlook, because there could be some good news here. After some late summer heat, humidity hasn't been too bad. Well, we might start to see an end to it. The rain chance is not impressive through the weekend, but look what I've got coming into next week. The chance that we might bring rain chances up. I just made an adjustment even to Tuesday. Getting out Thursday morning, work and school, no chance of rain. We're 70s for most of the North Shores, in the 60s. 10% chance of the daytime shower and storm, hottest part of the day, noon until 6. 90 to 95 North Shore, 90, 93 New Orleans, 90 Thibodaux, Houma, 87, 89 along the coast. And then the same thing going into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10% chance of a shower and storm. The North Shore temperatures I just described, New Orleans, Thibodaux, Houma, and the coast. Look at next week though. We get some fronts trying to move our way, but this system's going to dip in from a few miles up above, add in with a front, and by Tuesday into Wednesday, the initial signs that we could be getting our next likeliest round of widespread showers and storms. I'm not that confident right now because it's the first signs of it. I got a 40% chance each day, but at least it's something that we haven't seen for a few weeks. Up until then, still staying hot, and fall begins Monday.